What is up, everyone, and welcome back to Quick Helper. Today, let me show you how to join anyone on Roblox without being their friends. To begin, log into your Roblox account and search for the specific person you want to join with. If they're not your friend, you won't see a join button on their profile. But if the person is currently playing and has enabled the join feature, you will see a join button on their profile even if they're not your friend. However, this feature might not be available in all countries or regions. If it's not available for you, you can try installing the Roblox Searcher extension from the Chrome Web Store. You just have to search for Roblox Searcher, add it to your Chrome browser, and click Add Extension. If the feature is available in your country or region, you'll see the Join button, even if the user isn't your friend. And there you have it, Roblox Adventures. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.